Hey Jane, wanted to make a quick video because I have been doing kind of an unofficial experiment and I have been drinking out of this glass um, because I was saying, oh, I want to try drinking out of smaller glasses because I feel like it would help me drink less water and, lower my water footprint of just like passive drinking water if I'm not thirsty and I just have water around. And so, of course, it's not bad to stay hydrated. So obviously you want to maintain that level of healthy hydration. But I was also I've been drinking coffee quite a bit too, and so I use this mug here mostly, and and so and it's full, and I generally fill it about twice. Uh, so it's not I'm not being I'm still drinking a decent amount of fluids, but it's meant to be an experiment, and I thought I would try to cut down on the water footprint a little bit and be more mindful. But then I was grabbing a different glass from the cabinet today when I remembered. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not using my glass. So I grabbed this glass again. And then I realized that this glass is not smaller than the other glass. It is just wider and shorter. So this is not a smaller glass at all. I've just been using a regular size glass essentially the whole time that I've been using this glass, which has been, I'd say, a couple weeks now. So, and I realized this, and then I also realized that I knew that too because I filled this with quite a bit of fluid previously, like out straight out of a bottle, and then I was just like, that's a lot of liquid. Wow, I'm surprised by how much liquid goes into this little glass. So I knew that this holds a lot of water, but I just forgot, and so it was just it was just a moment, and then I realized I am just gonna have to, if I want to try that, like for real, I'm just gonna have to use the little teacups, my little cuppies that I've got here, and I wasn't using those. I was using this glass because ice fits in this glass, and I love ice. I'm a very large ice fan, and I didn't have ice at previous apartments, and I have ice when I'm here with my parents, and so do do do. I'm gonna have to figure it out if I can crunch ice or if it's really necessary if I want to try the small cup thing. But just a kind of kind of moment. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. We're gonna see what happens with that experiment, but I thought I'd make a video too. So goodbye.